Hi, good afternoon. It's me again, the great Kiwinoy. This is the progress of what I've done today. I concentrate with building the plant box. So, sorry I was not able to show you how I did it because it's raining. So my mobile will get wet. So, just show you the update. So, there's another panel that goes underneath on this side, and then it will goes per 45-degree angle, so that we can walk on this side here. So we can walk on this side here. That's the purpose of making like 45-degree angle. Yeah, something like that. So that we can have an access coming here. So once I finish the plant bags on this area, then I can concentrate the ground improvement. So which is I'm going to change the contour of this ground level, and then after that I'm going to put grass seeds, which is that one, lawn seed patch pack. So that's the seed I'm going to spread on this area. Yeah, okay. To my subscriber, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, so and thank you for your support. So we're nearly there with this plant bags building or construction of plant bags. So hopefully it won't rain tomorrow. I can continue doing it. Alright, so that's for today. By the way, today is the first day of winter in New Zealand, 1st of June 2020, and today is Monday. It's a long weekend because we are celebrating Queen Elizabeth's birthday. So that's why people they're with their friends at the moment, or some of them staying at home and enjoying the long weekend. Okay, by the way, the time now is 3:10 in the afternoon. Okay folks, see you next time, and bye for now, and please be safe and God bless.